Mm. You are cute. Yes, correct. Okay. My beloved Chimkins. Kfp. What should I say? There's so much to say to you guys. What do I say? Kikariki. Get to work. No! Get back to... No! That's so cold. Thanks for the... Hey! Let me massage your thighs before you jump into the fryer. I don't know. It's a Valentine's Day card, not a letter from the company. I see. Great. Potential in you. XOXO Chihuahua. Laugh. I will decorate you guys. Honestly, I should just turn this chicken into fried chicken right away, but that's kind of difficult. Let's give you some lashes, looking cute. Let's give you some lipstick. Does that look like lipstick? Does look like lipstick. Let's give you some nails. I know you guys were looking at those human customers and always thinking, oh man, they got nails. That's so useful. I wish I had nails. There you go. And those kissable lips. Yes. Oh, maybe some eyebrows. You guys don't have eyebrows. Let's make some really stunning eyebrows. Ugh. But you don't need all that makeup though. Just so you know, you look beautiful the way you are. Does that look like a kiss mark? Oh, you look so cute. I like it. It's like a... Yay! Kansei! Dekita! Woo! Cute! Okay, I'm happy with that. We'll stop here. We could continue endlessly, but you guys also want to come to make some Valentine's Day cards. And make sure to if you make anything for the Heart Challenger anniversary, because this is kind of I suppose a Heart Challenger anniversary stream in some way. Didn't really mention it, but it is. There's a hashtag in the title. Hashtag Heart Challenger anniversary. Tweet out your Valentine's Day cards or your fan art for Heart Challenger or whatever. Anything. Maybe someone wants to make a remix.